Welcome to the Glass Vice semi-frameless glass railing installation video. Today we'll walk you through setting up the Southernlites glass balustrade system. Before we start, gather your materials and tools. Now let's jump into the installation process. Prepare your installation area based on your design, whether it's top or side mounting. Our 50 by 50 mm aluminium posts offer versatility and durability. Allow for 4 feet max panel spans for top fixed and 6 feet panel spans for side fixed. For top fixed installation: 1. Mark post spacings and drill holes as specified. 2. Secure posts into timber or concrete using the recommended screws or threaded rods. 3. Use a level to ensure straight alignment and fasten with dome nuts. 4. Adjust posts anytime by moving the half nuts with a wrench. 5. For side fixed installation: 1. Drill out the decking boards and joists for timber installation. 2. Drive in M10 threaded lag screws and ensure alignment with a level. 3. Adjust posts anytime by moving the half nuts with a wrench. 4. Glass installation: 1. Fit the infill to the desired height and add the bottom packer. 2. Install glazing rubber on the open side. 3. Place the glass 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch into the post inserts. 4. Wet glaze the inside using a soap spray. 5. Install the top insert cap with screws and clip on the top cap. 6. Adjust posts anytime by moving the half nuts with a wrench. That's it! You've successfully installed the Glass Vice Southernlites glass balustrade system. If you have any questions, refer to our documentation or reach out to our support. Happy installing!